What we're seeing in Delhi is very, very worrying. A massive spike in COVID cases. Even as cases, however, continue to decline in Mumbai, it's bracing also for the dreaded third wave. Here's the tale of two capitals in their fight against the deadly virus. And it's raised many questions concerning the curb ease versus restrictions.
A tale of two cities. India's national capital is witnessing a massive spike in COVID cases, while the financial capital is treading cautiously as it continues to marshal its resources to combat the invisible enemy. Currently, Mumbai is logging less than 1,000 cases daily, while Delhi is witnessing a third wave with over 6,000 to 7,000 coronavirus cases daily. The current infections are proving deadlier for Delhi, while in Mumbai, less than 20 people are succumbing to the virus. In Delhi, the figure has surged from 51 deaths on November 1st to 131 deaths on November 18th. The two cities have handled the pandemic differently. While Delhi was more lenient, the Maharashtra government was strict when it came to easing curbs. Maharashtra opened places of worship only this week. Mumbai bore the brunt of the COVID attack quite early. It had to control the outbreak in the large slum pockets, including Asia's largest cluster, Dharavi.
We had one campaign here in Maharashtra, My Family, My Responsibility. In that campaign, we reach to each and every house, each and every society. We give awareness to all the people, public, and we advise everybody that if you have mild to moderate symptom, go for the test. See, Mumbai is the only capital, or Mumbai is the only city in the world where you don't need prescription paper from doctors for the investigations, for the COVID test.
Even though the medical experts have said that the numbers could rise post-Diwali owing to reverse migration, the administration, especially the Mumbai Municipal Corporation, says that it is geared up for any eventuality.
For Delhi, the surging crowds in markets have proved a recipe for disaster.
The festival season, primarily the festival season, because of that the persons are going to the shopping places for buying something, and of course there is a huge rush in the market and people are not following the guidelines issued by the government of India.
While Delhi seems to be in a worse condition, the national capital is testing 4 times more than Mumbai. If you test more, you trace more. The national capital needs to rework its COVID strategy very quickly to ensure the COVID wave doesn't get worse in the days to come. With Pankaj Upadhyay and Kumar Kunal in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.